New Year.
Happy New Week, Happy New Month, Happy New Day and month.
Well,
You want to sit down?
I want to sit down. There's something I want to discuss.
I'm not interested. You know we have been quarreling last week, last year, last month and month. So I want that our quarrel to continue. You cannot come and be using all this Happy New Week, Happy New Month, Happy New Day and month to enter me. Let our quarrel continue.
All things are passing away.
I'm not interested.
I'm a 30. Papa Ojo.
So learn to mind your business and I will mind my business too.
Papa Ojo. Papa Ojo.
Are you still here? Biggie, attack.
I'm going.
Please, if we are quarreling, let that beefy continue. You cannot come and be using the Happy New Week, Happy New Month, Happy New Day to enter me. You understand?
What is the name? I'm called Kojo. So where are you going to? I believe we are going to this direction, right? So can I get your number so I can call you maybe some other time? What's up?
I know if you drink water, drop cup. Good girl.
But I called the girl first.
Hey, scope a time.
I don't understand.
Hello, this life make money.
Is that what you are telling me? I should make money. Oh God, move away, get out there.
Calm down.
I don't get this guy. What's up?
Hello.
Don't hello me, my brother.
Don't fuck up.
You fuck up, bro.
Okay. The two of you calm down.